Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and in this video we're doing another edging technique. This one's called 1.5 2XX, and we'll tell you why in a second. Let's get going and show you the technique. Okay, so we've been working on our Sleek Nomad bags, and we use this 1.5 2XX skive in two places, and we're going to show you how we do that on one of the bags. So here's what we're doing here. We have this outside piece of the bag right here in our flight jacket leather, and we're going to put on this edge right here. So here it is, and here's the inside part of it right there. So you can see that the studs are already attached, but we want a nice firm edge. You can't mess with it all. I mean, it's there. It's so solid. And so what we do is we skive off 1.5 inches across the top of the leather, and then we roll it twice. Okay, so we're going to go do that, and I will meet you over at the skiver, because the first thing we do is skive it. Okay, here we are at our skiver, and we're going to shave off that 1.5 inches of leather really thin. So we've got our skiver all set up here. This part controls the depth, so this is measured out to 1.5 inches, and then we control the how thick it is with this dial right on top here, and that's all set too. So let's turn this baby on. And that's our skive. See over at my workbench, and we'll roll it over, show you how we do that. Here's the skive leather, and the first thing we're going to do is put some tape on it. And this is a 3/4 inch wide double stick tape, and I hold back a little bit from that edge right there so I can see it. And then I'm going to roll it over once, just a little bit before that. You can see there, because we want this to bend easily. We don't want the bend to be on the thicker part of the leather. So hold that back. And getting this straight just takes time. It's a total eyeball thing. Yeah, and so there's the first roll. Then we're going to tape it again, and that's a 3/4 inch roll. We're going to tape this again here and here a little bit onto the leather. But what I'm going to do here is first, we're going to mark this right here, because let me show you something here. We sew on the back side, and it's blind. We want it to be straight and parallel to this top stitch. And so what I've got to do is I made that line. Then we'll take our square, and we will put it up on here and make sure that line is 100% square. I don't know if you can see the mark that I just made right there, but we're going to fold right up to that line and get it nice and straight. You can see they're going on. All right, I'm going to brayer that, and then let's go over to the small Seiko machine again, and I'll sew it up. See you there. Okay, here we are again at our Seiko machine. This is our lightweight sewing machine, and we're just going to put 2 stitches on here. So here's how we are now, and I'm going to just take this and okay, there's that one, and then I'm going to turn this, cut off those threads, and now I'm going to just sew right across here on the back side. And if this is even slightly crooked, it will show up on the front. So we got to sew it pretty straight and slowly. And that's it. Here you go. This is the stitch across there, and here's the back part, and it's super tight. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.